Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is January the 15th and the chart of the day for today is Bitcoin 1 hour time frame. And we can see Bitcoin has started to uh, show the sign of being alive again after kind of quiet market from the past few months. And here we are looking for a rally to complete Y leg here. So within Y leg, we subdivide into an ABC where the A leg is in the form of a potentially a 5 ways up here. Okay, so once we finish this 5 ways up, we could be seeing a pullback in the B before potentially extending higher in the C leg. But you can see in the rally still calling for a. Now you can. I just want to let you know this rally here is more than 1.618 extension already. And the other option here, guys, is because for now you can put 3 in blue here, 4 in blue, 5 in blue here, ending A leg already. But then this is a little bit ugly if I put it here. That's why we put it here. But it's possible that we are ending A leg already as a 5 ways 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just that it's a little bit ugly if I position this somewhere else, right? So this one is a little bit cleaner, and if that's the case, then we still have a chance for one more leg up to finish 5 ways up A leg before a B and a C. Now zooming out, here it is. Let me copy in the X here, which is from 89 to 22 here, and this is the Y. As you can see, we are still in a corrective rally so far. So this rally from here is kind of overlapping. Now you can say this is a 5 swing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but then this one is clearly a 3 ways here. So it doesn't look like a it doesn't look like a 5 ways up diagonal, but instead looks like some sort of corrective structure. Maybe this one is actually a flat from here, like an ABC, right? So that means we got a 3 ways up and then a flat correction and then another rally, which means that potentially this entire rally in Bitcoin can still be considered as a correction instead of a new impulsive rally. Okay, and as a result, when we are measuring the 100% extension from the lows, right, so we got this 1, 2, 3, then this is a potential area where if the rally is indeed corrective, we could in fact be finding some sort of resistance from here. Now from here we got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 swing, and this one looks kind of impulsive, so it does seems to favor one more leg up like this. So maybe it can go somewhere deep in this area, right? Somewhere deep instead of, you know, instead of failing at 98,000, maybe it can go deeper, like a 100,000 area or above, slightly above, before potentially the cycle from the low could be complete, and then starting to see at least a bigger three pullback, at least some sort of a correction like this. Okay, so again, the structure of the rally, it doesn't look to be bullish, at least now, right? And then if I compare it to other cryptos like BNB and so on, it does confirm the idea the rally doesn't look impulsive yet. So then we are treating this entire rally in Bitcoin still as a correction. Now, even though, yes, we might still see more upside to finish the Y leg, but this area here between 98,500 107,000, this is the potential area where the rally can stall, and then Bitcoin can start to reverse on the downside or at least pull back in 3 ways. Well, in the shorter cycle, yes, we might see a little bit more upside, but again, even if that's the case, then as you can see, not too much more upside left if we're going to be starting to get some sort of resistance. So I don't know if this is a good idea to try to chase the upside at the moment, even though it could happen. But again, the upside doesn't seem to be that much compared to the risk of, you know, getting some sort of a bigger sell-off or bigger pullback from this area. Alright, so that's the update for today, guys. As always, if you want to get more updates on Bitcoin or any other cryptos, indices, stocks, Forex, feel free to check our service and use the link in the description of the video to get the 14 days trial for only 99 cents if you are completely new. So I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.